In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to your Gumroad account. If you want to make sure your account has a password set up for secure sign-in, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through it together step by step inside your Gumroad dashboard, and I'll point out exactly where to click so it's easy to follow. Start by logging into your Gumroad account and looking over to the left-hand menu. There, click on your profile picture. This will open the account-related options connected to your profile. If you don't immediately notice it, just look toward the lower area of the left sidebar where your account controls usually appear. Once that menu opens, click on Settings. This is where Gumroad keeps the main options for managing your account details, security, and preferences. After selecting Settings, you'll be taken to the page where you can update different parts of your account. On the Settings page, find and click Password and Authentication. This section is specifically for sign-in and security-related options. If you're adding a password for the first time, this is the area where Gumroad allows you to set that up. Next, click Add Password. This will open the form where you can create the password you want to use with your account. When choosing a password, it's a good idea to make it strong and unique. In general, using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols can make your password harder to guess. Also, avoid reusing a password from another site. Now, type in your password in the field provided. As you enter it, take a moment to make sure it's exactly what you want, since a small typo could make it harder to log in later. If you use a password manager, this can be a great time to save it securely so you don't have to remember it manually. After entering your password, click Change Password. This confirms the update and saves your new password to your Gumroad account. Once that's done, your account will have the password added successfully. And that's it. You've now added a password to your Gumroad account. It only takes a minute, but it's an important step for improving account security and making sure your login method is set up the way you want. If you're following along, double check that the change has been saved before leaving the page, and you should be all set.